Hey everybody, welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. I'm Justin and I am here today in Brighton, Michigan at Vector Motorsports and the Car Guys shop with Samantha.
Hi.
Vector is one of our dealers. They also race, so they invited us up here today to show us around. Let's go inside.
All right, sounds good. Come on in. This is our Outlaw 10.5 car, Firebird.
Low fours. Sign me up. Yeah, it's gonna give you some serious traction. You wanna show me around back?
Yeah, sure, come on.
Thank you.
We work on Fords, GMs, and Mopars. So this is a Camaro. This is mine, actually. It's got a 427 with a F1X Supercharger on it. Makes about 1,500 to the rear wheels.
And the displacement, how big is it?
427.
427.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So that'll get you moving. Not quite like the little 5-liter displacement Coyotes.
Back here, well, we have our engine room. We build all of our engines in-house.
Ooh, show me in there. Engine room.
We build engines for our customers, Hemis, GM, like LS motors, on all our Coyote stuff too, for sure.
You work on Coyotes too.
Yes, I love Coyotes. My favorite. It's another 427. This one has a Magnuson 2650 on it. This is a customer car. It's a manual.
Heck yeah. So that is the Magnum DI 2650 that Magnuson makes for the Chevy DI engines. And I know that it just came out, right?
Yeah, it's a pretty new blower, and it makes a lot of steam, for sure. This thing rips.
I've heard that the built ones are making over 1,000 rear wheel horsepower,
This
right?
probably makes that.
Yeah.
I
That's
probably can't say the exact number for this customer, but it's a 427, so it's a big built motor too.
Okay, it's got displacement on its side once again.
Yep.
Hey, but you know, all of us Coyote people, we got the 5.2 liter block to look forward to. So this is incredibly awesome. I've known you for a while. I didn't know you did this much performance work.
We do a lot of work. We have a lot of cars in and out daily, so we do a lot of different builds. Over here, I'll show you, we do turbos also. This is also a 427, believe it or not. And it's a big single turbo.
Yep, that's pretty big. That's pretty big.
I don't even know what size exactly. It's like in the 90s at least. The 96 maybe, I can't remember.
And you guys, you were telling me you fabricated all of this?
Yeah, so we have all of our fab in-house. Our guys' corners over there. We do all the piping, we do the intercoolers, we did these tanks. Basically exhaust, custom exhaust, all of it. Heat exchanger stuff. This is a Cadillac CTSV. This is probably making between 900 and 1,000. Stock motor, stock block. We have our custom cam in it, and it's the stock blower too.
Is ported, I imagine? That's the hot ticket for these cars?
Just the snout's ported. I think the cam is the big one on this.
Okay.
Yeah, this one moves pretty good. So, and it's full heavy weight. You know, full stock, AC and all. It's a little sleeper.
Cal Hartline is local to us down in Florida, and I know he does incredible things with these cars, and I can see you're doing the same.
Yeah, we love this car. So, and then now onto the Coyote stuff, which is my favorite. This is one of our shop cars. This is Dan's car. It's a turbo 400 build. Coyote. It's a Ford Performance block. It's a 302. We didn't punch it out or nothing, so it's a twin turbo. And this car is probably one of the fastest cars on the property right now.
How much power does it make, if you can say?
I don't have a clue. It depends on how much boost. So it probably would easily run 7s in the quarter. It has, I don't know, I can't say exactly. It's one of our Gregno ET cars, so we're kind of keeping it a little secret for a minute.
I like your style. It depends on how much boost.
Yeah, it depends. So that's what the CO2 bottle's for.
The power depends on how much boost they're running that day. Hey, Dan.
Hey.
Out here we have a whole parking lot full. There's a Hellcat fully built 6.2 liters. Gorgeous pistons. This thing will make over 1,000 wheel all day. That Camaro has a Pro Charger on it, a 376 built motor, turbo 400. This car we just finished for the customer. We put a full roll cage that we fabbed ourselves too in-house, so it's all NHRA certified.
And this Coyote, I think you showed me earlier, is getting a Gen 3R Supercharger kit.
Yep, that
awesome.
And some fuel system upgrades from you.
Got oil pump gears and crankshaft gear as well.
Yep, we're doing the billet, oil pump gears, crankshaft, and then we got the 3R and all the goodies to go along with it.
All torn down, ready for the Supercharger install. Good to see you got the big heat exchanger.
Yep, gotta keep it cool. Going to here, it's our dyno room.
Ah.
Yeah, this Coyote's mine. This is the one I raced with NMRA. Won some races with it. It's been top qualifier this year, so I'm excited. And I just swapped the blowers in the Gen 3R for the Woodward Dream Cruise, so we'll see what it makes.
We'll check the underhood camera, but everybody said that it got a little bit of belt slip on that pole. It did make over 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. What do we see on the data logs?
5 pounds.
Well, that's disappointing.
It made 22 and then it fell down to 5. So it made 22 pounds until about 5,800 and then I lost it.
So you made 1,000 rear wheel horsepower at 5,800 RPM.
Yeah, that's what the dyno says.
Yeah.
Then we had to change the belt and change the pulley over.
This is all the data from your Holly system.
All my secrets.
Oh, yep, we can't show that. Cannot show the racing secrets.
You can see the boost just foul.
So that was all of it right there. Well, we'll get the pulley and the belt changed out. I actually sent you up a Grip Tech pulley last week, so we've got
It's a little bit bigger, but
yeah, we've got a secret weapon here to keep this dyno day going. This is gonna go on now. We got a Grip Tech 2.5 inch pulley going on. A little bit bigger and Grip Tech, so hopefully we don't have the belt smoke show this time. So the Grip Tech pulley fixed the belt slip issue. The car made 22 pounds throughout the pull. It is on pumpy 85 and it only has 14 degrees of timing in it for safety. Samantha races this car. It has to be ready for the NMRA race later this month, so she cannot blow it up messing around.
nope, I want to keep it safe.
Over 1,000 wheel, pulled all the way to 8,000 RPM.
Yep, just under 1,100 with torque and horsepower to the wheel. And our Mustang dyno is like the heartbreaker dyno, we call it.
Well, thank you very, very much for showing us around.
Thanks for coming by.
The shop is awesome.
Thank you.
If you're up in the Michigan area and need some work done, check out Vector Motorsports and the Car Guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.